With decades of experience in the field of biology to his credit, Dr. Jean-Yves Berthon harbored a penchant for science from a very young age. Throughout his primary and secondary education, Dr. Berthon exhibited considerable proficiency in numerous scientific disciplines. Responding rather positively to the nature of living things, particularly human physiology, he resolved to cultivate a career by applying his aptitude in natural science to help others. A French native, Dr. Berthon initially earned an undergraduate degree from an accredited university. Subsequently, he enrolled at Clermont-Ferrand University and obtained a Master of Science in Biology in 1985. From 1988 to 1990, he traveled to Belgium and completed coursework at the University of Liège. Thriving under the higher education program of that institution, he continued his studies at its campus in France and earned 2 Doctors of Philosophy in Plant Biology between 1991 and 1994. Throughout his tenure, Dr. Berthon financed and opened numerous research facilities around the globe in order to enhance modern biological research. In 1990, he began accumulating experience as a junior researcher with the Rhone-Poulenc Company. By 1992, Dr. Berthon had founded Greentech SA along with the Laboratory of Biotechnologies through the Roulier Company. To this day, Greentech SA is dedicated to the development and engineering of active ingredients from plants and microorganisms for cosmetic, pharmaceutical, and nutraceutical purposes. From 1995 to 1997, he executed his responsibilities as the president of the Regional Association of Startups and Small to Medium Enterprises. By 2000, Dr. Berthon established Biovedic SA, a corporation that specializes in the procurement of pure fungal and bacterial biomass, as well as natural active ingredients for consumer consumption. In 2005, he facilitated the takeover of Aquamare, an organization which was known for the raising of filter-feeding mollusks and microalgae, and rebranded it as Greensea. That same year, Dr. Berthon launched the United States chapter of Greentech and officially placed his enterprise on the international market. In the 15 years which followed, Greentech saw its expansion and revenues increase even more as he constructed additional research centers in Germany, Brazil, and Japan. In 2020, he acquired the licensing and ownership of the All Microalgae Company. Regarding his official titles, Dr. Berthon excels as the Chief Executive Officer and President of Greentech SA, the President of Greensea SA, and the President of Biovedic SA. Though he is proficient in understanding the reactions of natural ingredients within the body, his companies primarily focus on manufacturing products for the skin. That being said, Dr. Berthon's area of expertise deals with finding and synthesizing ingredients for epidermal application across multiple industries. Specifically speaking, he studies the structure and makeup of the skin on the face and body in response to the active ingredients used in his company's cream, gel, and fragrance products. As for his motivation, Dr. Berthon revels in the idea of utilizing his scientific prowess to helm innovation and partake in new discoveries for the cosmetics industry. He enjoys pioneering studies, pushing boundaries, and developing new ingredients and concepts for skincare. In addition, he appreciates creating relationships with customers, as well as cooperating and collaborating with other corporations. Dr. Berthon attributes his success to his work ethic, wealth of knowledge, perseverance, and most importantly, his mentors throughout his academic ventures. For forthcoming students in the field, Dr. Berthon suggests that the next generation of experts should vigorously educate themselves in multiple disciplines, such as chemistry, biology, microbiology, and biochemistry. In terms of his legacy, Dr. Berthon would like to be remembered by his peers as someone who was knowledgeable and inventive. Just as Louis Pasteur discovered a vaccine and Steve Jobs established Apple Incorporated, he hopes to be considered as an ethical pioneer in the field of biotechnology. Dr. Berthon maintains memberships with the French Society of Cosmetics and acts as the president for the Society of Safety. Furthermore, he is a French foreign trade advisor, a regional advisor for the Banque de France, and an honorary consul of Brazil. Owing to his efforts, Dr. Berthon has been honored with the Innovative Prize from the Council of Innovation and formerly received recognition as France's Man of the Year. At his leisure, Dr. Berthon enjoys the company of his children, Nathael, Timothy, and Eleanor. In the near future, he plans to continue expanding the influence of his business and research.